Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Counseling. Many students seek professional counseling to manage their anxiety before final exams. Counseling. Many students seek professional counseling to manage their anxiety before final exams. To ditch. If you feel overwhelmed, it might be better to ditch your extra shifts and focus on counseling. To ditch. If you feel overwhelmed, it might be better to ditch your extra shifts and focus on counseling. Vow. He made a solemn vow that he would never ditch his responsibilities again. Vow. He made a solemn vow that he would never ditch his responsibilities again. Endearing. The way she tries so hard to keep every vow she makes is truly endearing. Endearing. The way she tries so hard to keep every vow she makes is truly endearing. Proponent. As a strong proponent of kindness, he found her honest and endearing personality very attractive. Proponent. As a strong proponent of kindness, he found her honest and endearing personality very attractive. Hierarchy. In a strict corporate hierarchy, even a proponent of change must follow certain rules. Hierarchy. In a strict corporate hierarchy, even a proponent of change must follow certain rules. Take advantage of somebody. It is unethical to take advantage of somebody just because you are higher in the company hierarchy. Take advantage of somebody. It is unethical to take advantage of somebody just because you are higher in the company hierarchy. Overstep. Taking advantage of somebody's trust often means overstepping your authority. Overstep. Taking advantage of somebody's trust often means overstepping your authority. Scorn. The manager faced public scorn after he tried to overstep his legal rights. Scorn. The manager faced public scorn after he tried to overstep his legal rights. Repay. He wanted to repay his colleagues for their loyalty and ignore the scorn of his critics. repay. He wanted to repay his colleagues for their loyalty and ignore the scorn of his critics.